Using a gift card on Steam is a relatively straightforward process. To begin, you'll need to access your Steam account and click on your name, which will prompt a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, select View My Wallet to access your account's wallet and explore the available funding options. You can add funds to your wallet or purchase a game directly using your gift card. To do so, simply browse the Steam store, select the game you wish to buy, and click Buy Now. This will take you to a payment screen where you can enter your gift card details, including the card number, expiration date, security code, and any other required information. The gift card should contain all the necessary details, and you can fill in the fields accordingly. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to successfully use your gift card to make a purchase on Steam.